the trees are, and I wonder where the leaves fall. Contemplating on what I have forsaken. Now is the time, history's in the making. These cakes I'm decorating. Oh, you from Jersey, we're shaking, baby. You and me, we are in a small world. Close your eyes, open your ears, focus on what you can hear. Vibrations are here and there. The negativity that's in you, make it disappear. Darling, have no fear. And I wonder when you gon' stop playing. And I wonder about this generation. And I wonder, and I wonder, and I wonder. The 12 jewels, knowledge, wisdom, understanding, freedom, justice, equality, food, cloth, shelter, love, peace and happiness. I cannot seem to stress. Good vibes I digest. Peace and love is in the wilderness. Be open to the world, to the echoes of our wisdom. Have no fear, Billy is here. The support is our system. No pointing fingers and pretending we're victims of our imagination who kill and spill on. Like my favorite apple juice. There's a dark spot right there in your heart. That peace has connection to the universe, and as humans, where we start.
Yeah, I fly free, so free, 5-0 from. It's the Afrocentric chick smelling blood from the weak ones. I grind the stones to make my bread. I grind these beats to make the cheddar. The hood rats think they can do it better. Blonde weave, gold teeth, and the bubble gum. Switching your hips, rigor mortis in your lips close. There's no need for all that talking. I'd rather just lay back in the Mino and bump a little dilla, the old school illa. Instead, Jimmy's in the front seat telling me that you need a man. My sister's in my ear telling me that you need a plan. And plan B is for the weaklings, or the ones who aren't seeking. And record companies are for the sneaky. I'm kinda hidden like dark skin on ebony, or in the industry full of big booties and expensive weave. I'd rather not rock that Gucci Louis. I rock a dashiki that my mom gave to me. I bump that CD that Mike made for me, and lay back with the jazz cats, killing instrumentation over fat raps. Ill fortune 17, graduated 18, man, it's something like a pipe dream. Yeah. Okay, it goes like this. Goes like, all the raindrops, candy drops, and gumdrops. All the raindrops, candy drops today. Sit in the rain with your mouth open wide. All the raindrops, candy drops, and gumdrops. All the raindrops, yeah. We vibing, we rocking. The party, we stop. Then bring it back to life, appreciate the greatness. Payment on your feet, right before you to your sound. Stay loyal, stand up and say, hey. Salute the great and shoot the hate and patch them up, cause they can turn into love.
You never know.
Like finding $1 in your pocket.
You never know.
Like seeing there's nothing in your wallet. You never know. Hold it up to the moon and pray that she can fill it up and fill your cup with smooth moves, so those demons pass through you and you can do what you do.